Self-talk is not new to you. You do it every time you look forward to something or every time you dread something. Our self-talk can be empowering or destructive. It has been said that if a friend talked to you the way you talk to yourself, the friendship wouldn't last long. Most parents would like their children to grow up with self-confidence and a positive expectancy of the future. Would you like a simple formula to imprint these two qualities into your children? At the end of each day, ask your little person the following two questions and listen carefully to the responses. 1. What did you do today that you're really proud of? 2. What are you looking forward to tomorrow? You will find that these two simple questions will help program your little person to reflect back on the day with pride and look forward to the next day with excitement. Try a similar technique with your team members. Each week, call a brief meeting to ask each person to answer the following questions. 1. What did you do this week that you're really proud of that's bringing us closer to our goals? 2. What are you looking forward to doing next week? Then, practice on yourself. What conversation are you having with yourself before you go to sleep at night? Try asking yourself those two questions. What am I proud of? What am I looking forward to tomorrow? Most of us are doing something quite different. We are beating ourselves up about everything we didn't get done during the day and dreading the long list of things to do the next day.